Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a truly essential component for anyone involved in DIY electronics, security camera setups, or custom lighting projects. The QLXHBOT Female DC Power Pigtail Cable. This pack comes with a generous 20 pieces, providing an ample supply for numerous applications, making it a fantastic value for both hobbyists and professionals. These pigtail cables are designed to simplify DC power connectivity, acting as a bridge between a power adapter or a power supply box and your devices. They are specifically engineered for 12V5 ADC applications, featuring the widely compatible 2.1mm x 5.5mm barrel connector. What truly sets these apart is the use of real 18 AWG wire. This is a significant detail, as the thicker gauge ensures reliable power transmission and can handle the specified 5 amp current without issues, preventing voltage drop and ensuring stable operation for your sensitive electronics. One of the standout features for anyone who works with wiring is the pre-tinned copper-clad wires. This thoughtful design makes soldering incredibly easy and efficient. The ends are ready to be connected, saving time and ensuring a secure, robust connection every time. Furthermore, the red and black wire jackets clearly indicate polarity, which is absolutely crucial for correct installation and preventing damage to your devices. This simple visual cue eliminates guesswork and speeds up the wiring process considerably. These pigtails are incredibly versatile. They are perfectly compatible with all standard CCTV systems, providing a secure and rapid transmission of power to security cameras. Beyond surveillance, they're also ideal for various other 2.1mm x 5.5mm DC power devices, such as part lighting setups or LED strips. Imagine the ease of custom lighting installations or powering multiple small devices from a single power source with these reliable connectors. The QLXHBOT Female DC Power Pigtail cables offer a very good and reliable DC power connection. Their robust construction, combined with the ease of installation provided by the pre-tinned tails, makes them an indispensable tool in any DIY enthusiast kit. For anyone seeking a straightforward, dependable, and high-quality solution for their DC power needs, these pigtail cables are certainly a top contender. They truly streamline the process of bringing power to your projects, ensuring everything runs smoothly and securely.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.